And finally, we are here. I am going to ride a giant bird. I'm going to shoot this epic moment from every angle possible with the GoPro, with this camera, and with the drone. Ready?
Okay, ready?
Going to ride a giant bird. Yeah! Okay. Hi, baby.
Oh my god, this is so much fun. I wish they could fly.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
With a waving cry and a loud hi-ho, the hero of the West will show that the country will be rid of foes. The Lone Ranger.
With a mask and a gun, his Indian friend, he'll fight for the rights of honest men. He'll stand for justice to the end. It's the Lone Ranger.
Indian Tonto and the Kemosabe riding side by side, standing tall for freedom, justice, honor, truth, and pride.
Silver bullet mask and white hat, standing tall for purity. Symbols of the hope and faith for all mankind to see. Dedicates his life to saving, to saving the day.
Dedicates his life to saving,
Dedicates to saving the day. With a wave and a cry and a loud hi-ho, the hero of the West will show that the country will be rid of foes. The Lone Ranger.
With a mask and a gun, his Indian friend, he'll fight for the rights of honest men. He'll stand for justice to the end. It's the Lone Ranger.
Indian Tonto and the Kemosabe riding side by side, standing tall for freedom, justice, honor, truth, and pride.
Silver bullet mask and white and standing tall for purity. Symbols of the hope and faith for all mankind to see. Dedicates his life to saving the day.
Dedicates his life to saving,
To saving the day. When we ride around high ho, the hero of the West will show that the country will be rid of foes. The Lone Ranger.
Oh my god.
Mask and a gun, his Indian friend, he'll fight for the rights of honest
It's not easy to ride a giant bird, I'm all sweaty.
Away, think so far away to save the day.
How's that?
So far away.
It was fun. A lot of energy to ride it. I'm done riding these giant birds. The ostrich are magnificent creatures. I think it was a little bit heavy for her, but it was a fun experience. Overall, education, I would say 3 out of 4 stars if you speak to this guy. He knows a lot about raising ostriches. Adrenaline rush, 3 out of 4 stars. Fun level, 3 out of 4 stars. Must do if you're in Mornay. I would say definitely 3.5 out of 4 stars. I mean, you're already here and it's pretty cheap. The cost is 150,000 dongs for one round. 150,000 dongs is $7. And the time is like 5 minutes. You finish with it. That's it. Thank you for watching.
Our chicken, silver is his trusty steed, helping the mass now with fire and speed. Partners with one solemn creed, fighting with might they will never bend. Truth and justice to the end. Ba 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 ba. Dum,